Beso. Ang ginaygit. Besa. Hello friends, we back for another chainsawman reaction. Today we're checking out episode 3. Now in the last episode we got introduced to Aki and Power. So Power is a devil, I guess in human form. And Aki is one of like the superiors of Denji. So Power actually destroyed one of the devils. I forgot what they call the devil, but yeah, she manifested a hammer through what I think is blood, right? So another similarity with like JJK, right? Blood manipulation, you know. Um, but I guess it's more specific to a certain type of devil instead of a technique that everyone may or some other people may be able to learn. But yeah, that's kind of where we left off. And I think one of the things that made me think last episode was, is Maki a good, or in the at the side of good, right? Like, or is she one of those characters that she was bad all along? You know, it was just a, you know, a facade, right? Without further ado, let's check out the next episode.
Daily for the Fiend Power is approved. Have her back no later than 5 p.m.
So they don't even allow you to go out on your own?
Nay, forced to idly while away my time in here.
So they need approval to leave the premises. I guess that's what it means.
He's upon me. Alas, the cat becomes a fluffy shield. Should that transpire, all is lost.
I had a pet devil. His name was Pochita. I'll never be able to pet the little guy ever again, but it's cool. Because he's alive right inside here.
How foolish you humans are. Your words suggest Pochita is dead. Death is the absence of life. Nothing lives in your heart, so spare me. It's just a pathetic attempt at self-comfort.
I'll never get along with this chick. Ever.
Never say never.
We can only pray Devils remains Pan's solitary enemy in the future.
I'm curious. How have those hunting dogs been performing in the pack?
Well, there's one that's promising and one that's interesting, I'd say.
Interesting.
Interesting.
A recently adopted pup.
Just don't form unnecessary attachments. They aren't your lapdogs. Get these hounds through obedience school and put them to work.
I think you meant disgusting when you said interesting. Why do you have such high hopes for Denji?
Denji is disgusting? Why?
There isn't a devil in existence that was born nameless.
Hmm.
And the more a devil's name is feared by the world, the more powerful it becomes. The chainsaw devil at that.
Being
Interesting.
interesting may not coincide with being useful. Everyone in public safety has concrete goals and convictions, but Denji is only doing this job so he can live the good life. The kid's bad news and a bad fit. What's more, he said he was open to being a devil's friend. He's just an ignorant brat.
The Meowie and the devil are within.
Alrighty then. Won't get there standing here. I can turn into chainsaws.
Human jests leave much to be desired.
Will even be this close to where they're hiding?
Oh, that was my story, wasn't it?
Oh!
A mere slip of the tongue.
It's a trap? Oh!
Despite your dull mind, your instincts are quite sharp.
Interesting. Hello friends, if you're enjoying the content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to never miss out on dashing content. And now, back to the video.
What matters is that I've met your demands. Is it not that?
My first meal in ages. And since it's a young man, his blood will no doubt be brimming with vigor.
He's feeding him to the devil.
See the wound your kind inflicted on me? Hacked my arm clean off like savages. Right the wrongs your kind committed!
Oh!
Repulsive!
Oh!
As sickening as that was, it restored my body nonetheless!
Okay. But did you really have to hide here? Couldn't you have just killed someone else?
Taste. I must swiftly find another human and cleanse my palate.
I'm stunned you didn't stop and question my story when its plot holes were so evident. Never was a species more foolish than yours.
Damn, the shade!
The stench of cigarettes. The smell of makeup and drugs. It's nasty fare.
Dude! He ate the cat.
Meowie. Meowie. From this day forth, that's your name.
Oh boy.
Gracious, you smell delectable for a cat.
We got a little more fan service.
So spindly, though. Methinks I'll fatten you up before I feast.
Oh, we got the cat.
Greetings, blood devil. Blood's precisely what I
How
need.
does he know she's the
Unless
blood
you want to
devil?
end all 9 lives of this cat. Bring me a human being.
Earlier you said you never pet Pochita again.
Now you can
I
relate.
sympathize with you now.
Yeah.
Tis a dreadful feeling.
Oh! Damn, she's not fighting back.
Terrible! All this nauseating blood!
What the hell?
Cough up the tits. Those are mine.
We drink my blood.
The man
Revolting.
likes the tits.
If I can't have yours, you certainly can't have mine.
He's gonna pull
One
it.
time, Pochita went missing. I noticed he was gone when I woke up. I searched the town, but I still couldn't find him. Started thinking he'd been eaten by another devil. But when I got home, he was in tears,
Aww.
waiting for me.
Woo!
You're only a devil!
Damn, he chopped the another arm off.
Run, you idiot! This asshole's hungry!
Yep.
You let a perfectly good snack escape? What devil would do something like that?
The kind that'll slice into your gut, so I can touch me some food!
Woo! Dude, he is strong.
Well, if you're going to insist on saving humans,
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of casualties here, you would imagine.
you cut through this!
Oh! He retracted the chainsaw.
So cool!
Your puny body contains such strength! Why would you waste it playing protector?
Oh! How much damage can this guy take? Woo!
So why haven't I got the cop a single?
Oh!
No! Stay back!
Dude! Oh! That was pretty sick. And with the pose, ooh! Okay, that's the episode. Oh wow. Oh wow. So, not off to a great start, right? Denji is lured by power in an attempt to like trade him for the cat, but she gets double crossed by the Bat Devil and was consumed. So I guess now that he killed the Bat Devil, we can retrieve power, right, and go from there. So I kind of like how the pacing is a bit slower compared to like something like JJK. It's just the fan service is really distracting. Like it's so unnecessary, and I kind of get that it. You know, you do it to appeal to a wider audience, but yeah, that part is not really for me. So next episode we're gonna get the fallout from this incident. Because it looks like they did this on their free time, not on their work time, so there may be consequences for that. But yeah, if you guys like the content, like, comment, subscribe. If you want to support your boy even more, links to Patreon down in the description. Become a channel member and put some beso in the comments, guys, because you know your boy needs a little beso. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.